Come test drive the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, mud guards, tachometer, first aid kit, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, heated front seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.